Shruti called. Okay, this is SMPS. Okay, so this will be your power supply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these all will be for every electronic device. Okay, whether it is for CCTV, cam. So this is all for CCTV. Okay, these power supply models. Okay, they are all going for power supply. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Shruti.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. So you are working, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, I am working
Working as?
in McDonald's.
Huh?
Oh, part-time worker, sir. Part-time worker I am.
Okay, okay. Just now I started. See, what I wanted to start is like you should be aware of all the basic things before we go into the complete hacking field. Okay, so that's why I wanted to have you all the basic hardware knowledge, desktop support, L1, L2 support. Okay, that is why I started touching the basics. Then after this class, whatever it's related with the hardware, I will show you that part, how it is related with hacking. Okay, is that fine? Yes, Ritik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will type here computer. Okay, SMPS for computer. Okay. Mm, this is how it will look. Your SMPS here you have. Okay. So you have all these power lines here. Okay. You see it here. Uh, Coloring yellow, blue, green, black. This one. So during our motherboard in our hardware class, we were just seeing like what are all the connection, okay, plugs,
Right.
okay. You see it here. So this is what you will connect it to the motherboard, okay. So you have 3 volts, 12 volts, ground, okay, and you will have 5 volts and 3.3 volts, okay. So the more you have the 12 volts, it will take you much current, okay, like GPU card, whatever you connect it, if it is requiring 12 volts, you will get a huge consumption, okay. So this we will see that later we will see, okay. This is what SMPS will look like, okay. So this will be the common issue, okay. So if your PC is switched on, it is not powering on, then it will be the SMPS issue, okay. And now your computer keeps on restarting, okay. It will be continuously restarting. What will be the issue, okay. So one thing is we will roll out if there is any hardware related issues, okay. Let's say you restart even in BIOS also. So So have you seen your laptop BIOS settings, Shrutik or Pranav? Your BIOS settings, your computer BIOS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in BIOS you will have a settings. Okay. So if there is any overheating of the CPU, if
Hmm.
your CPU fan is faulty, okay, then what happens is after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, your system will shut down automatically or it will turn off. Okay. Or if you are having any faulty RAM, okay, if you bought second hands or you bought a desktop PC, then also you will have this kind of issue. Okay. Or let's say you have restarted multiple times your computer. Okay. Because of that your OS got corrupted. So every time it keep on restarting. Okay. Or else what you have done, mm, some drivers you have installed. Drivers means let's say you have a camera, okay, Logitech camera, okay. So you downloaded some free drivers and you installed so that it will work. So you have downloaded the malware, spyware or some kind of virus. So then it will keep on restarting. Okay. Or you got any storage problem or your hard disk keep on getting bad sectors. So these are all the issues that you will keep on restarting your computer. So now we will see another 3 or 4 issues. Then we'll look from a hacking perspective. Okay. So now PC shutdowns within a minute of turning on. Just now I told. Okay. So in PC you will have something called thermal paste. Okay. I will show you that one, thermal paste on the CPU. Okay. So what you will do, you are going to put this paste on your processor. After that you will install the fan. Okay, so that this will reduce the heat. That is the intention of putting the paste, thermal paste. Okay. So once this is done, you will put it like this. Okay. After that you will install the processor. Okay. This will take the heat out of it. Okay. So after 1 year, this will get powdered. Then heating issues will start. Okay. That is the issue. Okay. Overheating. This is usually indicates CPU overheating. Mostly AMD processors will have this type of issue. Overheating. Okay. And check if the fan CPU is spinning correctly. Okay. Even see, I had my old CPU where I had to buy liquid cooling. Okay. CPU fan for AMD 5. Okay. Let's say I will put it this way. Okay. So you have CPU, okay. On top of the CPU, you will put this CPU fan, okay. What this will do? This will transfer the heat from the processor to these pipes. You see these pipes, okay. That will take out all the heat from that processor, okay, and it will remove it from the fan, okay. So the fan also, if you put reverse, then it will take heat inside, it will not exhaust. That is also there, okay. Two ways it will send the heat outside, okay. I was just fed up with all this, and then I have installed this cooler, liquid cooler. So on the processor I have installed this, and the heat will be thrown out like this. Instead of doing it on a processor like this, I have installed the liquid cooler, this one, okay. This will take out the heat.
So will it automatically take, or else are we supposed to give the guidance or something?
Which one?
I mean the liquid cooler.
Liquid cooling, it will automatically take out the heat, okay. Just you need to install that. It will remove all your CPU heat, okay.
Got it, sir.
Now you have turned on your computer, okay, and display is blank, okay. So if your display is blank, okay, you need to verify the graphic card or VGA card, okay, or your they will show you, okay. You know HDMI port,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
You have VGA connector, okay. DVI connector, okay. DVI D connector, okay. HDMI, okay. You have all these type of connectors, okay. So this is DVI, okay, and this is HDMI, and this is VGA, okay. So we have all these type of connectors, okay. So let's say you need to connect on the particular port, okay. So for graphic cards also you will have this kind of connectivity, okay. I will put the graphic card now, okay. Graphic card, graphic card RX 550. I will click on the ports. So you bought one graphic card, okay. Now you see it, okay, how it will look like backside. See, you have one HDMI port and DVA port, okay. You don't have VGA here, okay. So let's say you have one more basic card, okay. You have VGA here, DVI and HDMI. So that depends on your card and connectivity, what you required. Based on that you will see that ports, Okay, you will connect to that particular port. For even motherboards also you will have these ports. Okay, motherboard. Okay, ports. VGA. And HDMI. So now you see it here. Okay. So you have here VGA port, okay, and this one is a HDMI port. This is where you are going to connect your monitor. Either you connect here or you connect here. So you will see it here in this. Okay. So you have only HDMI port here. You don't have VGA. Okay. Now let me show you one more. So this is having complete details. Okay. This is VGA, DVID, DVI. Okay. HDMI and mini HDMI and micro HDMI, mini VGA. This I have not seen. Okay. Mini DVI and micro DVI I have seen. All these ports I have seen. Not this I have seen. Okay. Mini HDMI or micro HDMI. USB Type C also. This is a Thunderbolt we call. Okay. This will be on the Mac. USB Type C. Now we are also getting this type of ports for display. High-end monitors have this now. USB C type. Thunderbolt we call this. This one also Thunderbolt. Okay. So what you are going to do? You will check the cables on that particular graphic card. Okay. Check you have any power issues. Okay. And there will be RAM modules. Okay. In the hardware part. Let me open up that one, the RAM parts. RAM modules. Okay. This one, what you need to do, you have to remove it and install that, or you need to press it hard, or you have to rub these lines here, gold color lines you are seeing, right? Let me open up this one. Okay. See this gold color line. Okay. So with eraser you will rub this and then you will reset that. Means you will install that again by pressing it. Okay. This is how it will be fit on your computer, inside your computer. And that's how it's installed. So this you will remove this pin at both sides, then you will install that. So once you reset that, there will be no RAM issues. Okay, you will filter it out like there are no RAM issues. Okay. So then after that you need to check the monitor with another monitor, whether you are having problem with the monitor or GPU card. Just like we just saw the GPUs, right? graphic card, that one, okay. Or else if it is still blank, then you will suspect like it is failed on the motherboard, okay. So now you have blank display, and you will get continuous beep sound, beep beep beep, like that. Have you seen that one, continuous beep sound? Pranav or Shrutik? Continuous sound you have seen in computers? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Am
sir.
am I audible? Yeah, yeah, okay. Have you
Yes,
seen
sir.
like that?
Audible.
Yeah, yeah. Have you seen that continuous beep sound? Not talking about movies, sir. On your desktop or computer, okay. Continuous beep sound means you have your faulty RAM. Your RAM is gone. So similarly, you need to do that. Okay. Okay. Now, so this is for 4 short beeps. Indicate RAM or timer on many systems. Okay. So now, what are we achieving with this knowledge with ethical hacking? Yeah. Question. Question for Pranav. Yeah, Pranav. I think he is not in the call. Shrutik, for you it is the question. Okay, what is the use of this in ethical hacking? Yeah, this is exactly your question, not my question. That's why I am asking you. Yeah, Shrutik, you answer me this one. Shrutik, let me stop recording. Yeah. 1 minute. I will record. I will stop recording and then I will ask.